Hello everyone, I am Jyoti Patil and today in this session I will be discussing Unit 5 LPC 2148 ARM-CPU. The contents which will be discussed in this session are functional features of I2C, SPI, SSP controllers, watchdog timers, other system control units. First we will see about I2C. The LPC 2148 each contains two I2C bus controllers. The I2C bus is bidirectional for controlling using only two wires, a serial clock line and a serial data line. The special features of I2C bus serial input-output controller are it is compliant with standard I2C bus interface, easy to configure as master-slave or master-slave, it has multi-master bus. Then, serial clock synchronization allows devices with different bit rates to communicate via one serial bus. Programmable clocks allow versatile rate control. Next, we will see about SPI. The LPC 2148 contains one SPI controller. The SPI is full duplex serial interface designed to handle multiple masters and slaves connected to a given bus. The special features of SPI serial input-output controller are as follows. Compliant with SPI specification, synchronous serial full duplex communication, combined SPI master and slave, maximum data bitrate of 1/8 of input clock rate. Next is SSP. The LPC 2148 contains one serial synchronous port controller. It can interact with multiple masters and slaves on the bus. The special features of SSP serial input-output controller are as follows. Master or slave operation, 8-frame FIFO for both transmit and receive, synchronous serial communication, 4 bits to 16 bits per frame. Next we will see what are watchdog timers. The purpose of using a watchdog timer is to reset the microcontroller within reasonable amount of time if it enters some erroneous state. The special features of watchdog timer are as follows. Internally, reset chips if not periodically reloaded. It has flags to indicate watchdog reset. It is programmable 32-bit with internal prescaler. Enabled by software but requires a hardware reset or a watchdog reset interrupt to be disabled. Incorrect or incomplete feed sequences causes reset or interrupt if enabled. Next, other system control units. LPC 2148 has some of system control units such as PLL, brownout detector, reset and wake up timer, code security, external interrupts, memory mapping control, power control. Thank you.